Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Next Level Education. Today I'm gonna show you how to transform clear and smooth skin from texture skin like pimples and pigmentation in a facial photo using Adobe Photoshop. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to effectively remove dot, wrinkle and pimples from the face using by simple technique that you can easily tackle it without using clone stamp tool or healing brush tool. Although healing brush tool is a powerful editing tool for removing spots and unwanted parts, however, I would not recommend you right now because it takes a long time for editing process. So I'm gonna teach you another effective and shortcut method. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of the process. As you can see, to visually guide you through the process, I will show you step by step how to transform a photo with imperfection into one with smooth polished skin. Here I have opened a portrait where you can see the heavy pigmentation on a face. So we need to change this ugly part to clean and smooth. For the process, we need to copy the image by simply pressing Ctrl plus J, or you can do just drag and drop this layer to new icon to duplicate layer. Both are the same process. Now select the copy of layer and change the color blending mode to vivid light. Yeah. Now again, just select the copy of layer and press three keys together, Ctrl Shift plus I to make coloring brush. And go to the filter and select other and click on high pass. Now arrange the perfect value and press OK. Again, go to the filter blur and then click on Gaussian blur. Apply the value as 2.4 something pixel. OK. Now let's create a layer mask and simply press Ctrl plus I to emboss. And then select the brush tool. As you can see here, different style of brush options. Choose little soft style like this one and applying by dragging on the face. Just smoothly drag on the targeted area while the pigmentation will not completely remove. Uh, Now you can see the final result in front of your eyes. There is no pigmentation appears. I hope you found the information in this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, comment and share the video and subscribe the channel for updates on upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.